you, Simon. I remember in the days gone by when I was in a top floor flat in Glasgow. I could only use an indoor antenna. The remember the days when I could put up a large antenna. And thankfully my dream has came true eventually, but we all have to start off somewhere, mate. But you're still in Spain and good audio, so no problems at all in here, mate. Thanks for coming in, Simon. Enjoy your night up there. Well, I'll tell you what, if for what it is, it's working well for you. There's a bit of fading in your... but my antenna's not in your direction, obviously, so... Cyber Simon, nice to meet you for the first time. Thanks for your call. Yeah. 73, this is EA5JZ. So you're a wee bit faster than was it? Kilo November, Zero, Foxtrot, Whiskey Romeo? Very good, Jason. Good to hear you. Thanks for the call. KN0PWR. EA5JZ, you're 59 plus Spain, and the name here is Paul, Jason. I'm located at 30 kilometers northwest of the city of Valencia in eastern Spain. My call is Echo America 5 Juliet Zulu. EA5JZ. Well, I don't have any QSL, Jason. I don't have QSL at all. And, sorry, I don't even know how to do on. I don't even know how to do on QRZ. Not QRZ, QRZ or EQSL. I don't even know what to do. To be honest with you, mate. So, unfortunately, there's nothing here for me to send you, which is a shame, really. But I've been QSL for years and years and years, you know. I might be able to do something. I think you can send cards via QRZ or something like that. I don't know how it all works. But I'll look into that for you, Jason. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure, buddy. Pleasure been all mine, Jason. Thank you very much for your call, mate. Enjoy your afternoon. This is EA5JZ.